Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is my channel for digital branding solution. My channel, please subscribe and like and share. Today topic for digital, uh, today topic for logo design service. Let's start with a logo which clearly represents your business and will be easy to remember for your clients. What will you get? Creative, attractive, and expert logo designing, swift and reliable communication, express 24 hours delivery, unlimited revision until you are satisfied for my first priority. High quality transparent PNG JPEG, all editable vector files and source file. Let's make a strong branding for your business. Visit my official page, get free consultation, um, and visit now for my portfolio. My portfolio for Behance. First, logo design for my clients. Lamar Consultation Golf Club Beyond Survival. Uh, Magonita Creation by ANG. Reverse Consultation. Milord's Magical Prints and Parties. Quid Smart Logo Design. Learnity Mastery Tools for a Modern Learner. Light Fab for real estate business. Telephone for USA business. Inspector LLC. Art of Femininity for logo design. Boys and Girls Club logo design. Cycling logo design. For different categories logo design. Deliveries, the foods and other items. Chirology Associates logo design. 3D Fact logo design. Apex Academy logo design. Blackstone Making Sales Goals a Reality for logo design. Different categories logo design. Basti, Spotted, Lovely Laura, SRPC Watch, Full Circle, Craft, Cooler, Display, Exhibitor, Moto by logo design, Moto by logo design, logo design, global logo design, breakfast logo design, academy लोगो डिज़ाइन. अगर आपको कोई भी अम, और लोगो डिज़ाइन के सैम्पल्स चाहिए तो वो भी हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर एफबी पेज, यूट्यूब चैनल एंड मैं अपनी डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो है वो आपको सारे लिंक भेज दूँगी. अगर आपको कॉन्टैक्ट करना हो तो मेरे कोई भी ऑफिशियल अकाउंट कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लीज़ वॉच द वीडियो. subscribe channel. Mm, Thanks for watching this video.